What's up, guys? My name's Casey with Island Fab. Today we're going to do a quick install and review video on the Fearable.net Stage 3 tune. So to start off, I want to give you a couple quick details about the vehicle. This is a 2018 Honda Accord Touring with the 2-liter turbo, 10-speed automatic. We got a couple modifications to the car, not a whole lot. We've got the PRL Stage 1 intake. We got the RV6 catless downpipe. And for the sake of it, we've got a set of Federal F60 Evolution tires. They are, I think, a 200 or 240 tread wear. They're 265 35 19. So we're gonna kick off this video. We're gonna show you everything that you need for it, and then show you how to flash it, and then we'll do some real world testing and get you some feedback. So stay tuned. All right. So we're here with the car and everything that you're going to need for this. You're going to need your Ktuner flashing unit. You're going to need your USB cable. Obviously, you're going to need a laptop and your vehicle. So what you're going to do is, first things first, you should have received an email by now from Fearable with your Stage 3 tune attached. It's got a full list of directions that are very detailed. You really can't mess this up, but for the sake of it, we're going to go through the motions. Just so everybody knows how to do it. At the very end of your email, you're going to see a file that's attached. You're going to go ahead and click download. I like to save my stuff to the desktop for something like this, so I know exactly where it goes. Come back out. And mine is right here. So I know it's attached and it's saved to my desktop, so I know I'm good to go there. So let's go ahead and open up our Ktuner. So you would have downloaded that by now. So go ahead and open up the program. First things first, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go to tools. I'm going to go to help. We're going to go for check version. Boom, version is up to date. We're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. It may take a couple moments if yours is not up to date, so just bear with it. So we're good to go there. Next step, I'm going to refer back to our email and see what our steps are. So make sure you have the latest version. We've done that. Download the attached file to your laptop. We already did that. Open up your Ktuner. We did that. So check the file and select open. So this, now we're actually going to upload it into Ktuner. So go over to Ktuner, go to file, go to open tune. Make sure you're on your desktop over here. Go down, find the file. There it is. Hit open. Make sure you pay attention to this. This tune is partially locked from editing and tuning maps. So you're only going to be allowed to see certain things with an aftermarket tune like this. So just bear that in mind. You still have the ability to adjust disables and whatnot. So we'll go through that here in just a second as well. So go ahead and click OK. Our next step, what we're going to do in Ktuner is go to main parameters over here. If you are running any aftermarket parts like this car is with the catless downpipe, you're going to want to make sure you go over to your disables and monitors. You're going to want to disable PO420. You're going to want to disable PO138/9. And you're also going to want to disable P2097. So go ahead and do that. Make sure all that's done and covered there. And from this point, you are pretty much ready to upload your file. So next thing we're going to do is connect the Ktuner unit to the vehicle, so we're going to go ahead and do that real quick. I like to plug mine into my computer. We're doing this outside of the car for the sake of lighting, so bear with me. To your OBD2 port. Okay, and we'll go back to the Ktuner. In the bottom left corner, you'll see where it should be connected here. You'll see that it's logging. So what we're going to do now is, inside the vehicle, you're going to click your key to the on position twice without depressing the brake pedal or the clutch. So you're going to see that it brings it into accessory mode on the vehicle here. The car is not running. We're good there. So now we're going to go back over to our Ktuner, and we are ready to upload this tune to the car. So when we come here, you're going to notice this little up arrow. This is going to allow you to flash it to the vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and click there. Please make sure your laptop is not in power saving mode. Mine is not. We are connected. We are plugged in. So I'm going to hit yes. Now you're going to click flash now. And here we go. So this process takes, I want to say 3, maybe 5-7 minutes to do. It's not really that long. Let it do its thing. Do not power the vehicle off. Do not power off your laptop. And then we'll get back to you here in just a couple moments when this is about ready to be finished up. All right, guys, real quick, I just want to let you know, while this is flashing to the vehicle, you are going to notice you're going to get a Christmas tree dash. It's going to have a lot of warning lights and whatever. Just bear with it. It's doing what it's supposed to do. There's nothing wrong. So just sit back and relax. And we'll get back to you as soon as it is done flashing. All right, so you can see that we're almost done flashing. Should be done here momentarily. You can also see that it was, well, I guess it's not showing anymore in the bottom left, but it was showing. All right, so it's going to say, please key off the vehicle for a few seconds and then turn the key back on. Wait a few seconds before hitting OK. So I'm going to go ahead and key it off. I'm going to key it back on. Then hit OK. Flash successful. Click OK to continue. All right, there we go. So now you can go ahead and start your vehicle. You are going to notice quite a few lights on your dash still. Those will go away after a little bit of driving. Sometimes it's as little as a mile, sometimes it's a few miles. More importantly, what we want to know at this point, we want to get out, go do some driving, normal driving, 25 to 30 miles, or for about 25 to 30 minutes. Do that normal, let the ECU go into closed loop. After that, make some pulls, kind of, see how it feels, and if everything feels great, pedal to the metal, baby, make some boost. So you should see target boost around 24 to 24.5 PSI, provided all conditions are right, you have the right fueling and whatnot. So we're gonna go do some driving, and we'll get you some real world feedback, so stay tuned. All right, here we are back in the car. We're gonna go out and do some driving and see what it's all about. I've already done the 25 minutes of driving, so she's probably back in the closed loop now. We are gonna go out and see what it's like. Maybe make a couple of quick little light pulls and make sure everything's good. Not bad. Not bad at all. We'll do a little more driving, then we'll do some pulls. All right, let's do a second gear, traction control off. Not bad. Not bad, not bad at all. All right, let's do another quick little pull. This time we're gonna do a third gear. We'll do a third gear from like 3,000 RPM. Let's go right about now. Ooh, spun. Damn, it pulls hard. Wow. John did really well with this. I think you guys will like this. The new Stage 3 tune definitely feels way more powerful than the Ktuner Stage 2 tune, in my opinion. Man, you guys got to get this. Check it out. See what you think. Let me know. All right, y'all. So here we are. Back in the car. Well, I've been driving with this tune now for 3 days, and it's been absolutely phenomenal. Drivability is great. Power delivery is great. I'll be honest, guys. For the 150 bucks, if you don't do this, you're totally losing out. If you don't have intentions on going Type R Turbo anytime soon or doing any of the other upgrades, you're truly missing out. I think I've put maybe 70-80 miles on this tune. I'm already getting better gas mileage, so keep that in mind. I normally get about 19 miles a gallon with my spirited driving. I do hardly any highway driving. Everything is in the city. So guys, I'm super pleased with this. I really am. I think it's been absolutely phenomenal. John's a wonderful guy. He's tuned my other cars in the past. I had a Turbo S2000, Turbo Integra, Will's cars as well. So guys, it's a very clean tune. Power delivery is great. Super stoked with this, man. Guys, you got to check this out. Some normal drivability, kind of show you guys, give you some feedback. So we're in regular drive mode right now. Traction control still on. Nothing out of the norm. I'm just gonna kind of roll into it for you. Man, I'm telling you guys, super clean. Super clean. Pulls hard. Not bad at all. Really not bad. John did a really good job with this. I'm super impressed. Let's switch over to sport mode. Let's turn traction off. So this is in regular drive, in sport, no paddles. Let this traffic get a little bit ahead of us here. And we'll do a quick little, let's get down to about 30. And here we go. What an awesome tune. Make more power over the Ktuner Stage 2. I'm getting better gas mileage already with the last like 80 miles, which is fantastic in my opinion. So more power and better fuel. Can't go wrong there, right? 150 bucks, well worth it, boys. Second gear, traction control off, brake on, gas on. Here we go. Oh, wow. Holy moly. Guys, so much cleaner, so much better than the Ktuner Stage 2 tune, man. I'm telling you, you guys got to get this. 150 bucks, totally worth it. So worth it. So worth it. So, all right, guys, this is going to wrap up the video. What I'm gonna do is get this uploaded for you guys. I'll drop some links below as well. I'll put those in the description where you can purchase the tune. Also where you can purchase the Ktuner and the tune. I think John's running a special right now, if I remember right. If you buy the Ktuner from him, he will include the Stage 3 tune. I'm pretty sure that's a limited time offer, so make sure you guys hop on it right away. But that's gonna wrap it up for us, guys. So let me know what you think. Please subscribe, comment, like, tell me anything, how I can improve my videos and make these better for you. Please, anything. I'm open. So I appreciate you guys watching. check back for more.